Tapos mamaya,
Hindi yan.
sige.
May guest pa.
Okay na? Okay na? Hi, JR, Sars, and Chris. Welcome to my
Thank you
kitchen.
for having us here.
Okay, so ang tagal-tagal na natin itong pinano, buti naman natuloy
Push na.
So actually, bakit tayo nandito? Because it's June 1.
It's
July
July.
na. It's
Diba
July
nga,
na.
it's July 1, Julina.
Julina.
Ay, ano bang celebrate natin today?
Nutrition month.
Kaya
Kaya tingnan mo naman. Ayaw namin tumabi sa kanya. Kasi,
Kaya nag-bring ang mga guests.
ayun. But anyway, I'm so happy because, well, aside sa mga chikahan na nasimulan natin behind the scenes, by the way.
Yeah.
Ano to, I really want to like entertain you here. I invited you here kasi I like having friends over.
Yes.
But,
Thank you.
Thank you.
but more than that, syempre kasi ang original po natin was mag-cooking show.
Yes.
Parang ang hirap pala, so wag na salad na lang.
Okay. So, ano ba yung prepared salad natin dyan? So, ito-prepare pa lang natin.
Actually, sa kakahintay ko sa inyo, dahil sobra kayong late, nakakito na yung greens.
Ano yung mga greens?
So we have romaine, lettuce,
Yes.
and then we have cilantro.
Cilantro.
Favorite natin ang cilantro, right?
Yes.
Yung bagong niya. We also have grapes. I put also yung Greek style na embold.
Sure.
And then we also have cold cuts for the protein.
Okay.
Di ba kailangan ng coating sa mga?
True.
Yun. At syempre, prepare natin yan sa ating wine. Nagpag-wine na tayo. Aga-aga.
Ang aga ng wine.
Wala namang ginagawa yung mga to. Ang aga-aga nagpa-wine.
Ano
Well,
ang ginagawa nito?
ito ang ginagawa natin. Well, actually, sa totoo lang, sobrang blessed and thankful tayo talaga dito because we are in this career. That
Yes.
allows us like to have impromptu mga gatherings like this, no? Kahit na, anong day today? Wednesday?
It's Wednesday.
Okay.
Proofing day.
Oh.
It's proofing day. So, every Wednesday kasi we receive our commissions for
Weekly.
servicing yung mga agent, yung mga clients natin. No? So, yun.
Yan. So Wednesday, happy naman tayo. Pero
It's happy day.
actually, no, sa totoo lang nga, I think kasi I joined Crew way back 2017. No? Parang this advocacy has grown on me na parang yung proofing, actually, parang nagiging secondary siya doon sa willingness mo talaga to do this, cheesy, no? Cheesy naman, cheesy siguro. Pero sa totoo lang, di ba, there's this advocacy that somehow compels you to do things na parang wholeheartedly. So parang yung money that comes with it comes in secondary. Pero hindi tayo hipokrita dito.
Yes. Money is money.
Money is not everything, but it makes us happy.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Plus also, time.
Time,
Oo,
yes.
nakapagawa
Time
tayo ng
that we
ganito.
have right now.
Yes. Bilang mommies, di ba? Mommies po kami ni JR. For
For
mommy.
For
And
parents.
For
for
parents.
parents. Okay, yeah. So, parents naman kami lahat dito in our own capacity. And kailan ka nag-join ng crew?
2021. Pandemic.
21, pandemic.
Ako 2019 as a part-time kasi pwedeng 2 yung yung pag-join siya. Options. So number 1, through part-time, no, while doing the full-time job. Number 2 is diretso, full-time ka agad. No? Kung if you want flexibility, katulad na ng ginagawa natin ngayon. Ayun, highly suggested talaga ng profession na to para sa mga mom. Tingnan nyo nga, ang mga mom ay nag-wine ako.
Nag-buhay na.
Kaya ka pa. Kaya ka ba?
Ayan.
Ayun.
So,
Ayun. Tapos,
Sana tinanong din ako.
Oo.
Diyan
ka pala.
Sinasabi ko po.
Nandiyan ka pala.
Bakit 2020 before pandemic? And then,
Parang naabutan ka
naabutan ako ng face-to-face.
nang ikakat ng
ikakat na.
insurance commission.
Yes.
Yung sa exam.
Supposed to be parang dapat
Kayo yung last
Saturday
batch.
exam. And then, but before that Saturday,
March 13, nagsabi
Oo.
si...
on the Thursday no, before my exam day, parang, no, it's lockdown.
Yeah.
So, Thursday lockdown, and then Saturday is supposed to be scheduled for the exam.
2020 was also memorable for me kasi 2020 ako na-promote as senior manager.
Yes.
Wow! Congratulations.
Pero 2 months after lockdown. So parang, oh my God, diba? And then parang ano talaga siya, the world stopped.
Yes, true.
Diba? During that period. I mean, not just for us as financial consultants, but nobody. The effect was really, really felt. Yun. Pero thankful ako na after 6 years after the pandemic, we're still here.
Yes, and also during the pandemic, yun yung time na nagkaroon ng more awareness yung mga tao when it comes to being healthy, you know, the immunization of individual is really important. Sleeping is important, and also aside from protecting your health.
Pakita mo
You
na
need to
wala
also,
kang iPad.
wala. You need to also have parang protection for your finances. Kasi diba, very uncertain yung nangyari ng time na yun. But the protection for your finances, dun nagkaroon ng awareness yung mga tao. It's very important. Kasi, libo-libo yung nawawala every day, di ba? Nakikita natin sa news. Ang daming learnings ng pandemic.
And I think sobrang dami din na natanggal nung panahon na
When
yun.
it comes
Kasi,
to their jobs.
oo, di ba? Parang isa ang insurance industry na naging kanlungan.
Kanlungan.
Di ba? It's kanlungan talaga. Kasi,
Naging means of,
oo,
ano,
di ba?
to go
Additional, yes,
Oo,
additional source of
parang pagpatuloy yung yung mga bills, ganyan, makatulong sa family. ganyan.
Pero interested ako to learn more about your onboarding during the pandemic. What made you join us? The pandemic yun eh. Siyempre, you know, one specific, parang natatandaan ko nun is everybody was holding on to their cash. Diba? Parang uncertain kasi eh.
Yes.
Yun nga, lay off, and parang hindi ka nga makalabas ng bahay, diba? Yung
No, wala kang ano, what do you call that? The pass? The health
Oo,
pass?
wala.
Ano pa,
Ano
may
tawag
mga-
doon? Basta
ECQ,
Yeah,
GCQ,
ECQ,
yung
ganyan,
mga
ganyan.
ganyan.
ganyan. Tapos diba parang lahat cautious na magpumastos yung ganyan. During the first few months of the lockdown, kasi I remember, walang gustong kumuha na, magpa-cover, magpa-insure, diba? Kasi
Yes.
parang I'd rather put up to my cash,
Cash.
diba? So, despite that, you joined.
Okay. Actually, very uncommon pag-join ko kay Peru. Kasi during the pandemic, I resigned. Diba? Yung mga tao gusto may work, may pera. Ako nag-resign ako. Nag-resign ako.
Because?
Yeah, because? Why not? Nag-resign ako kasi doon ko na-realize na pangka-precious ng life na binibigay mo sa family mo, especially my kids. Doon ko nakita na parang, ay, apat na pala sila, hindi ko nakakasama. So it made me realize na napaka-uncertain ng life and I wouldn't want to spend the rest, diba? Kasi di mo sure kung
Hanggang kayo
hanggang March ka na lang, hanggang April ka na
That's
lang.
true, that's true.
Talagang yung anxiety ko talaga noon to the highest level.
Since hindi
So, yun.
natin nakikitang
Nag-resign ako, pagputok ng pandemic, siguro mga after 2 months, so wala, supervised the kids, tapos nag-aaral din kasi ako noon, social work.
Social work.
Social work sa UPOU. And then, one of my friends, tulig ko din siya sa Congress. 2021, offered me to join part-time.
Sino to? Si Cheryl.
Hi, Cheryl!
Cheryl Arapad. Hello,
Hello,
Cheryl.
Shout out ka naman. So, yun.
Parang FB friend ko siya.
Okay.
So, hi, Cheryl.
Ganun, not the usual way. Parang yung iba, ayaw. Gusto yung work, ako na agad
Okay. Madaming madaming eye-opening moments during pandemic. Di ba?
True.
Actually, yung ma-lockdown ka lang, yung hindi ka pwedeng lumabas ng house mo.
Bawal
wala. Oo, tapos yung mga bata, tulad mo, nag-graduate sila, ang stage nila, yung screen. Tapos kanya-kanya kami kumuha ng, anong tawag nun, graduation cake, diba? And then, pahabaan ng buhok nun. Kasi wala naman. So, yung ano niya, yung grad pic niya nung elementary, ang haba ng hair niya. Yung ganyan. So, yun. But, when we talk about gratitude, lagi na talaga natin kaya pagpasalamat talaga everything. What actually is like, this career, for example. Diba? Parang ako, by the way, may graduate na ako college.
Yes!
Congratulations! But before I joined kasi before I joined this industry, 18 years ago. Sobrang tagal talaga. But on hindsight, parang I left the Corpo when my eldest was already patapos na ng grade school or high school na siya, early junior high na siya. Pero like, ang dami ko ng sayang na oras. Hindi na sayang because productive naman ako.
Yes.
I grew naman sa Corpo. Pero like, as a parent, parang ang
Yung
dami ko
quality
na,
time.
yung quality time, yung ang dami mo na sa amin na build na memories. Pero hindi ko na kasi mababalik yun eh. So, very thankful ako that I can now share to them my best time, my best energy.
Kaya nga meron pa sana.
Kaya
Diba?
meron pa sana.
Ano pa ba yung mga prepare natin dyan na ano? Ano ba yung mga tips or, syempre, it's a deflation month and gusto natin maging healthy yung family. Aside sa salad, ganyan, meron tayong mga iba pa na prepare. Tulad na, ano ba yung mga easy steps or mga easy foods na pwede mong prepare this month?
Okay.
Do you prepare?
Well, unang-unang muna, itong salad, diba? So, ang dressing nito, hindi siya ready-made. So, we like,
Ano bang ingredients?
got it from, we made it from scratch.
O,
So,
diba?
ito,
Made from scratch pa yan.
Scratch paper.
extra scratch paper pa. So, may extra virgin olive oil, may balsamic, and then honey.
Hindi ka sabi mo ba?
So, ano ba yung kaibahan ng extra virgin sa virgin?
Sa pure.
Sa pure.
Sa
Sa
pure.
main.
Okay.
Kasi parang ako lahat isa sila.
Did you know?
Actually, recently ko lang din ito nalaman. Kasi, hindi naman ako talaga kitchen person before.
Yeah.
Pero dahil sa pandemic, kitchen person. Oo, so may picture. For salad daw, best extra virgin. Yun. Pag cooking and pasta, everyday dishes, okay yung pure. Yung pomace, hindi ko masyado siya ginagamit. Kasi,
Mura.
Bukod doon, meron daw nila.
Hindi daw siya ganun ka-pure.
Hindi siya, yung olive oil essence na being healthy, healthy alternative ng olive oil, parang wala na rin. Parang mababa
ano siya?
yung substance siya.
Ayoko sabihin yung yung word na yun. Diba? Pero parang mas maganda yung extra virgin.
Okay.
Kaya parang kakaiba yung lasa.
Kasi you could tell the difference, right?
Iba yung lasa niya from the usual.
Anong lasa tayo?
Hindi ko na nga maalala. Kaya baka naman doon yung
Oo.
Baka naman.
Ayan.
So, yun nga, SARS. Apart from yung salad natin, mamaya gagawa tayo ng egg per spinach wrap.
Wow! Ang dami.
Ang dami na, no? So, ito nga, pinaprepare namin. Kaya lang, matagal pa. So, dito muna tayo mag-concentrate.
Yes.
Apart from that, meron pa tayong pasta.
Yes.
So,
Mga mabilisan.
Mabilisan, mga
Pero,
mabilisan. Yung ano pala, yung wrap, okay siya kasi, well, olive oil yung ginamit natin, plus is protein packed. Dahil may spinach.
Kasi into siya.
Di ba may pag-flex?
May mozzarella, diba? Tomatoes, basil, and spinach. So, sobrang healthy.
Oo,
Yes.
sobrang healthy. Parang narinig ko pala yung spinach, sabi ko, ay, healthy na to.
Yung mga kids ko kasi,
mabilis siya but healthy.
Yes, yes. Also the pasta that we will make later, ano lang yun, cherry tomatoes, mushroom, basil ulit. Basil is my favorite, and spinach. And then,
kasi kailangan ng protein.
and may protein yun, syempre, Hungarian sauce.
Yes. Excited na ako
Para may
kumain.
taga, okay? Ayun, so, SARS, actually, anong sasabihin natin sa kanila? Before, kasi alauna na hindi pa tayo nag-launch.
Okay.
Yun, so, before natin cross yung live natin, anong meron tayo sa Saturday?
Okay. Go,
Ayan
ano,
nga.
yeah.
So,
invite
kung
natin.
katulad kayo sa amin, no, mga mommies or mga for parents, we have a BYB or career orientation sa July 4, Saturday, 3 p.m. sa
Dusit
Tani.
Tani. 3 p.m.
Yes,
So,
click join no, sa comment section.
Or comment lang ng join.
Yes.
Ah.
Wala palang click join. Sa comment section ng join if you would want to know more about it para ma-message natin kayo.
Yes.
So kung gusto nyo i-try yung ganitong klaseng lifestyle and
And
more
advocacy.
time sa family.
time flexibility.
Yes.
And also earning at the same time.
Yes.
That's very important.
Oo, important yung
Yes,
earning.
important yun. Earning at the same
Oo.
time.
Actually, now that you've mentioned earning, di ba, we're really inviting people for Saturday who would like more income streams.
Yes.
Di ba? That's why, pwede naman natin sabihin, di ba?
Yeah, yeah.
Apprentice.
Yes.
That's specifically for people who, well, you must be happy in your current career now because you're still there. But if you want more income streams,
Additional.
oo. We try to invite you to eat on Saturday because i-roll out din natin sa inyo, share natin sa inyo yung True Apprentice.
Yeah.
Okay?
Bago siyang program niyo.
Yes.
Kasi before we na-join, wala pa siyang monthly
May monthly allowance.
Yes.
Kasi, most people na i-invite ko dito sa brewers industry, ang concern nila is paano naman yung monthly na stable
The income.
Okay, so that's why we have this True Apprentice because meron ka naman doon
Allowance.
monthly allowance on top of your earnings, your commissions.
Guys, palakpakan naman natin si Pro.
Thank you, Pro.
Ganyan lang tayo. Thank you,
Thank you,
Pro.
Pro.
Ayun.
Pwede na kami kuning endorser.
Ayan. Alright, so gawin na muna natin ito. Ano?
So that's it, no?
That's it
Prepare
for
muna
now.
natin.
Prepare muna natin. And kakain na rin muna tayo.
Yes.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.